This plant is taking over my backyard. It's here. It's over there. It's right there. Look over there. It's there. Oh my goodness, it's everywhere. Wow. You know what? Let's see what this plant is and what are the health benefits. Piper umbellatum, commonly known as cowfoot leaf, is a species of pepper plant. Cowfoot leaf is native to Americans, including Mexico, Central America, and other tropical regions of the world. Several countries use this plant for different reasons. Let's view them. Let's listen up why they use the cowfoot leaf in Jamaica.
Foot leaf. Some people use it for drink for high blood pressure. Some people use this for sugar. You have many different things where you can drink it for. Some man, female use it for like you reach the age of 50 and over, sexual active again. Then drink it and they carry them back normal. Then they start feed pan it. So it have a whole heap of different help, yeah, a whole heap of different help we can do to you, but some people we don't know you just no pass you and answer nothing. But if you have sugar, it's good for you if you're diabetic. You just boil it and drink it. Clearly, boil it and drink it. It's good for high pressure. It's good for people like male, sexual active.
Okay.
And in your 50s, them boil it and drink and them come back like them at 20.
Oh, so how many leaves though you need?
Maybe you just boil the leaf in beginner, so maybe you just boil 2 leaf or 3 leaf.
Oh yeah, have you ever tried it before?
Yeah, yeah, family come here, I drink it.
Oh,
Family come here, drink it.
so where you use sweeten it?
So, well, me now, me drink bush beetroot, no sugar.
Okay.
Anything me boil, if I source me boil it without sugar. But generally, not everybody can do it that way, so you have to take sugar and sweeten it. Some people use all the sugar and milk, sweeten it. It's good like that.
Okay.
But I want,
Wonderful.
and it's good for plenty complain. Plenty complain, it's good for.
Wonderful. Right, so you say it tastes bitter,
No,
so
it come like it no taste.
wow.
Come like it no taste. No taste no in a hit. No taste no night. But the best for you clearly.
Okay.
And drink if you depends on what you want to drink if you clearly and drink your morning time.
Oh, okay.
Like who don't drink coffee, but I drink coffee, you just drink this.
Alright.
And it help you complete your meal and you find say, active in a certain thing
You
again.
talk that part again,
Yeah, you just
wonderful.
drink it.
Make sure
Just
that you know.
And when you drink it, you come back normal like you are 20.
What?
Yeah, just clearly and drink it. It's very good. Cold leaf, then call it.
Okay.
Maybe people call it different name, but from me little me know as cold leaf.
Okay.
And me drink it often, so it's really strange to me.
Oh, therefore because the leaves them big, that's why they call it foot leaf.
And that me consider everything, but for original for a long time, from the liquor that me then say. So if I chew the big foot, we don't know, but something about it.
Oh, okay.
Something about it. If I grew up as a little picnic, and hear them call it cowfoot leaf. Cowfoot leaf. So we just continue with the cowfoot leaf.
Well, thank you so much.
Man.
Yeah, Mr. Bush Doctor. He knows. I know who to call and whenever I have a bush that,
Yeah, man.
herb that I want to have some form of knowledge, more knowledge on.
Yes.
Definitely to call on Uncle Bob. Yes, because he's the man who knows most things about these plants. Here you the lizard. No, say it good.
One of it. No, say pies are this and that, but if you notice anyone else, it's
Is there anyone with goat eat good?
very good.
So guys, as you may see here, a quail. This is 2 leaves. So that's what I'm. I allowed it to boil for what, 2 minutes, I guess. That's all. I wasn't even checking, but I think it was 2 minutes. And after that, I allow it to let it simmer, brew, as I call it. And then I strain. Always remember to strain, even if you think it's plain enough or there's nothing in it. I always like to strain my tea. Then I pour it in, and I was thinking, that was gonna sweeten the tea with honey, but I was like, it's my first time. I don't know how it really tastes, so I use sugar. Can't go wrong with the good old sugar. Yeah, but I love to use honey at times, but not today. But it for real, as Uncle Bob said it didn't have a bitter taste or sort. It was just plain, but it was really good. Thanks for watching. Please remember to share, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. God bless you.